Hey guys, what is up? This is Bhavishya Singla, and in today's video, we are gonna make an interactive dashboard using Power BI. Let me show you what we will be making. We will be making a dashboard, something like this. This is an interactive dashboard. Here we have cards, we have a scatter plot chart here, we have a pie chart, we have tables, we have a map, we have a line chart as well, line graph as well. We have some AI shit here going on as well. So we are gonna make a really interesting Power BI dashboard from scratch. Okay, you can follow me on LinkedIn. You can just search Bhavishya Singla and you can find me there. I have done projects here as well. In my last video, I showed you how to make a Tableau dashboard. Okay, you can just see there, and this is my dashboard here. You can just see, go and explore it. I have my website as well, bhavishyasingla.com. Here I post blogs and I have my portfolio here as well, where I have showcased all the projects which I have done. You can just see it for yourself as well. So first of all, you need two things to get started. You need to download a Power BI application in your laptop, and you need data on which you will be making the dashboard. Okay, so let me just remove my video from the scene so that you can easily see what is going on the screen. So you need to download the application first. You can just search Power BI Microsoft Desktop, Microsoft Power BI Desktop, anything and the first link which you will get, you can download it from there, or you can download it from Microsoft Store in your laptop from your Windows. You can just type Power BI Desktop and download it from there as well. Okay, we will be working on this data. This is the data of an e-commerce site. I will be providing its link in pinned comment and description box. You can see it for yourself. Okay, here we have different titles here: shipping date, shipping mode, customer ID, customer name, all the different stuff. We have product names, subcategories, categories. Okay, we have states here. These are, we have country here. This is of United States. Okay, so we will be working on that. We have sales, quantity, discount, and profit. We have all this numerical stuff here as well. Okay, so to get started, to make this kind of data, you need to first open your Power BI application. After installing, you just need to click on that and open it. It will usually take some time. Just wait and see. Okay, as you can see, some this kind of interface is being shown after we have opened Power BI application. You just need to cross this. Okay, and then some this kind of interface is being shown. We have our home ribbon here. This is the working area on which we will be working. This is a visualization table. These are all the different charts. We will be taking charts from here. We will add the values, different values here. We will now add data here in this chart. For that, you can do get data from here as well. You can see, you can get data from here as well, or you can get data from here. So we will just import our file, sample superstore, and we will wait for some time. It is connecting the data. Power BI usually takes a snapshot of the data. It means if by chance you deleted the data Excel file in your laptop, you don't need to take any tension, because your dashboard will still be working fine, because the Microsoft Power BI has the data's screenshot there. We will be working with orders sheet in this workbook. This is all the data with which we will be working on. Okay, we will load the data now. If you have any queries, you can comment, you can Instagram. Okay, you can message me on Instagram as well, or you can message me through my website as well. I will try my best to answer everything which is in my capability. The data is being loaded. It will usually take 1 or 2 minutes. Let's just wait and see. Okay, all the rows are being added. As you can see, the rows are the order sheet is added here, and when I open it, I get all the stuff with which we will be working. We have category, we have city, we have our profit, quantity, all the stuff which I have shown you in the Excel file. It is here. Okay, so first of all, what do we need to make? Okay, let's see this sheet. We will be making this thing: sales, profits, quantity. I will not be customizing it as much. I will explain it in a little bit. Just remember that we will be making a sales panel here now first. For that, you need to go in visualization tab and we will click card here. Okay, we'll just click on it and this thing appears. Okay, you can customize it yourself, you can resize it. So we need and in the field section we will add the value which we need to show here. Okay, we need to show how much sales we have done till now. So I will drag the sales and drop it in field section, and it will calculate, is calculating all the sales which we have done till now. As you can see, we have done 2.30 million sale till now. Okay, and now you can customize it yourself. Okay, you can just go on format your visual. In journal setting, you can add title here, you can add effects here as well, like you can add border, you can add shadow. As you can see, the shadow is being added, and border is being added, right? You can explore it yourself. I will not be doing this with you. I will just tell you how to make charts and how to add data into them. Okay, I've done a basic editing here. Now I will add another chart, another card for my profit. For that, we will take profit from here and drop it in fields. As you can see, this is all the profit which I have done. Okay, now I will take another card. I need to deselect it first, and I will take another card. I will drop it here, and now I will add total quantity which we have sold, the number of goods which we have sold thus far. As you can see, we have sold 38,000 goods thus far. Okay, after that, we have shown all the cards. You can customize it yourself. Let me show you once again. Format your visual, journal, you can add title here. In effects section, you can add visual border and shadow. Okay, see, it looks good, right? Now let's see what we have to do. Now we will make a line chart. Okay, for that we will be also doing something like, we will also be adding slicer here in a chart as well. Okay, so let's get started. For that, I will see where is line chart. Here it is, line chart, and then I will resize it to my preferred size. And in this section, we will add our stuff which we need to show in our line graph. Okay, line chart. We need to show how much sales or profit is being generated each month. For that, I will take profit and drop it in my y-axis, and I will drag order date and drop it in my x-axis. As you can see, this is a line chart, but it is not quite right because it is showing year, quarter, month. It is showing all the details. We need only month, so I will just cross year, cross quarter, and cross date. And now, as you can see, we have a nice line graph here. You can resize it the way you want to. You can format it here in format your visual. You can add different things. For adding zoom slicer, which I have shown you, you just need to click this. And as you can see, this is a slicer. Okay, now we have made this. You can also format it in journal. In effects, you can add border, shadow, and do different things as well. Okay, let me do this for this as well. Now under effects, we'll add border and shadow. As you can see, I have made these three things. Now we will add a map here. For adding map, we will go and add map. We'll drag it and resize it the way we want to. It is quite simple. You can do it yourself. Okay, and now we will be dragging, and let me select the map. Now we will drag states, where are states, and drop it in location section. As you can see, all the states are being highlighted with the help of bubbles. So I now need to add bubble size. We will customize bubble size according to the profit each state is generating. For that, I will drag profit under bubbles size. Okay, now as you can see, the bigger bubbles show higher profit, and smaller bubbles show less profit. Okay, you can customize it as well. Under map setting, you can take it and make the map the way you want to. Dark, light, I will be taking it light only. You can increase bubble size as well from here. You can explore it yourself. Okay, it is quite easy. I will just make it this. As you can see, bubble size is increased. Sometimes the map doesn't show. For that, you need to go in files, go in option and setting, go in options, just a minute, it is showing. And in that you need to go in security and you need to scroll down, and under map and field map visual you need to tick mark it, okay, and then your map will be shown. Now let's see what else we have to make. We have made line chart, we have made a map, we have made sale, profit, quantity. Now we will make a pie chart. Okay, for that we will select pie chart from here. We'll customize the way we want to. Let me make it small so that it is shown easily, right? And now I will add subcategories to legend and sales to values. As you can see, a pie chart is made. You don't need to add any formula here. The Microsoft Excel does it for ourselves. The Microsoft Power BI do it for ourselves. As you can see, a pie chart is made, right? And when you select on different pie chart, right, like I selected on pink, so all the data is being customized around that data only. And if I select it once again, the data is being normal, right? It is normal data. But if I select this, it shows the sales generated by this category only, by phones, the profit generated by phones, the total quantity which we have sold, and how it is sold, right? On which date it is being sold higher, right? And in which states it is being sold. And if I select it again, it shows all the data, including all the subcategories, right? And now we will make a scatter plot chart. For that, we will select this here. I will add order ID in values. In x-axis, I will take where is sales? There it is. I will take sales in x-axis and profit in y-axis. Let me make it big. Right. As you can see, this is our chart. Let me zoom it, right? As you can see, this shows all the items with order ID, that which are profitable and which are not. As you can see, if I hover over this, it shows the order ID, sum of sales, sum of profit, right? It is negative profit, and above this is higher profit. So we can identify which are loss-making items and which are not. Okay. Now we'll just zoom out. Okay. And now let's see what else do we need to add. Let's see. Now we will add a table here. Okay. For that, I will click on tables. The table is being added, right? And now I want to show the customers which we serve, right? So I will hover over, I will drag customer name and drop it in under columns section. I will take profit also. I want to see how many customers make how much profit, right? I will just drop it here. I will take it by region as well, that from which region the customers are from. You can add different stuff here, okay? According to your preference. You can customize it the way you want to. Now I have made all the charts which are in this file as well. You just need to, this is looking visually good, right? You just need to customize it. Like when I click over this, under visualization tab, you go over format visual and you can just see it is fairly easy. You can just do it yourself, right? And now I will add Q&A. AI will answer all our questions about this data. This is what it is. As you can see, you can type anything and it will tell the answer. Like most recent order, there are some pre-suggested questions. If I enter, as you can see, all the orders, most recent order are being shown here, right? It is fairly easy. You can do it yourself. As you can see, we have made our dashboard, interactive dashboard. If you want to make it more pleasurable to eyes, you just go on view and change different theme. As you can see, the theme is being applied. It changes the color and customize it to that theme which we have selected. It looks visually pleasing to our eyes. Okay. As you can see, we have made our dashboard, and that is all for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any query, you can comment. or you can message me on my website as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye, tata.